In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust or manage your notification settings on Spotify. It's very simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do that. So on your Spotify interface like this, you tap on your account, which is at the top left corner of your screen. You can see the arrow on your screen. Just tap on that. And now let's move to our settings here. So on our settings, we scroll to the top and we see notification there. We just tap on notification there. And good. You can see these are all options that we can turn on and off. So in my case, I've turned everything off. Everything off. Jams is on push. To turn it off, you just turn it off like that. So I just want that. That's why I have that on. Yeah. So now let's glance through the options. Music and artists. So should in case you want to receive any notifications from your artist, if they drop something or something like that, you want to push is on your mobile phone. Email is they send it to your email you use to sign up on your Spotify, something like that. So let me turn that off. I don't want that. Push is okay. Yeah. So now let's go back and now let's continue with our edits. So podcast and shows, I don't like any of them, but let's say you listen to podcast on your Spotify. Push is on your mobile phone. Email is through your email you used to register, so you turn it on and off. Live content and all that, virtual event, you just turn them on, off. So you just open it, choose push or email, just like I've explained earlier. So that's it on how you adjust or manage your Spotify notifications. If you are new here, give me a like. I have a lot of tutorials on Spotify on my channel. You can check them out. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.